Welcome back to the Learning Network 2025. So in this video, I am going to install the Kornshell on my Fedora box. So the first thing I want to do is type sudo dnf install, and I'm going to actually type cksh for Kornshell, and I'll press enter. Let's see what we get. It should go ahead and install the shell for me in a few minutes. As you can see, I'm logged in as root. All right, so let's see what happens here. It says dependencies resolved. And here it goes asking me the question. Here's the actual package here. CKSH is running off of a 64-bit system and all that fun stuff. So you always want to read what it's saying to you. So I'll say yes. Click on enter. And there it is. It's downloading the actual Kornshell package. And when it's done, it'll give me that's just letting me know that it is completed. So here you have it. I have officially installed the Kornshell package.